Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to chat up with supplier on Idlefish without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step-by-step I'm taking in this video and see how you get it done. Okay, but before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit on the notification bell so when I upload content about China importation and some other country importation, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure your link on 1688, Takuba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, you can reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. Let us talk more about importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my paid class where I coach you step by step on how you too can be a successful independent importer, you can as well reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video if you have interest to join the paid class. Okay, so let's get straight to the tutorial and see how you guys can chat up with supplier on Idlefish. Okay, so as you can see on the screen of my phone right here, this is me Idlefish app. Okay, so I'm going to click on that right away. Now the app will open up this way. Now a brief overview about this app is that 85% of products on this app are not a new product, they are second-hand products. You need to know that. Okay, and these are the reasons why you need to chat up with the supplier so that you don't mix up. Okay, and when you chat up with your supplier, it gives you a kind of confidence on what exactly you are going to buy. You have full knowledge about the product you are going to buy, and communication in business is also a lifeblood of a successful business. So you need to chat them up before you can actually place an order. So you can see there are thousands of products ranging from electronics, clothes, household, stuff like that, and etc. So let's say, for instance, I'm interested in any one of these products right here. You can see, let's say I'm interested in this particular product, this oven. Okay, all you have to do is to click on the product link. So you want to chat up with the supplier. So when you click on the product link, it opens up this way. Okay, now you can see this particular supplier here states the price from between 39 RMB to 220 RMB. Okay, this simply means that this product has a category. Okay, and for you to understand more better as far as pricing and the product description and stuff like that, you need to chat up with the supplier, which is what I'm going to show you right here. Okay, now for you to chat up with this supplier to ask for further information about the product, all you have to do is to click on this yellow button right here. Then it open up chat window. Okay, this is where you and the supplier can communicate effectively. Now for you to start communication with the supplier, all you have to do is to click on here to start talking with them. So if they are online, they will reply you immediately. If they are not online, they will reply you in the later. So we click on that. Then I'm going to turn on my Chinese character panel. So when you turn on your Chinese character panel, this gives you a kind of easily communication with the Chinese supplier, because when you type in English language, it will automatically convert it to Chinese character. So let's see. So let's say hello. Go to type in hello. So you can see that it has converted to Chinese character. So when you are done with your whatever you want to type with the supplier, you click on this yellow bar here to send your message. Sorry for interruption. All right, so you can see that this supplier, they are online. So you can continue chatting up with them. So they have replied me, say hello, hello. So let me just ask, can we talk? Okay, let me just ask a question that Can you tell me more about, can you please tell me more about the products available sizes? Okay, so send. So they will reply you, then you continue chatting up with them. Once you are able to reach the final conclusion, then you can proceed to procure from the particular supplier. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumb up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly hit on the subscribe. Click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about China importation and some other country importation, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my paid class, you can as well contact me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.